What year is this bike?
This is a 2010.
2010?
This is a Heritage Softail Classic. It's been modified slightly.
Slightly? Looks like stock bike to me. So we're going to fix the compensator. We're installing a newer version. That's what we're doing, wasn't it?
Yes, sir. We'll throw the clutch in there while we're in there because why not?
So we're going to put the new style compensator off a newer bike on here. This is a used one you picked up, you said?
Yeah, I picked it up.
You got the torx for that?
No.
Well, how are you going to take this in and off then?
Yeah. Well, maybe.
Well, if you don't have it, there's no use taking the bike apart because that ain't going to fly.
Yeah, that ain't getting on there. You're right. You're right. I'm glad you caught that because I'm guessing there's no way.
That means it'll be tomorrow morning before we come up with parts. And they're fairly tight, so you're not going to get your screwdriver bit now.
Yep.
Because that's your bit right there, but I don't think it'll unscrew it. It'll probably break it though.
Well, the one in there is not like that. It's a big nut, but we still got to get this back on. How would we tighten it back up without it? You know what I mean?
You gotta have the wrench. I didn't bring mine because I didn't need it.
Yeah. Real waste of time.
It's a big ass torx. You gotta have it.
Where would I can get something like that tomorrow? That's a big daddy. It's not going to be in any store, huh?
No, they have big ones around, but I don't know. Ace might have it. You like your Ace guy, but I don't know.
No way, I'm not even in the ballpark with this guy, right? Sorry.
No, you're way smaller.
Not even close.
You go online, try to order it out, but it ain't gonna have it in a day.
Alright.
Well, tomorrow's
find out what
Saturday.
size that is.
Well, tomorrow's Saturday anyway.
Well, Amazon will drop it to me tomorrow. I'll have it tomorrow.
It's a T-40 or something, 50, I forget. We can figure out what size it is, but it's, you need a big one. So what do you got in it now? You don't have that on there?
Yeah, no. So this is a completely different style. So it looks more like this. You know, it's that big nut.
There ain't no nut. It's going to be that.
No.
I've never seen a bike yet that didn't have this in there on a 6-speed bike, because this is what they put in them. I've never seen anything except this. These here, it looks like a big nut here, but that ain't a nut. It looks like a nut, but it ain't a nut. It's solid. It's right on the hub. It doesn't move.
It looks like...
All the new bikes have the Torx head bolt on it. That's 7 and later, because that's how they're made. I've never seen I've never seen one that wasn't that way.
Yeah, no, this is a big...
I haven't worked on very many, but they're all that way.
It's the same size as what's on the shovel.
Yeah, it's early stuff. I've never seen it on a late bike. That's 6 on back, not
because I've had this off when I changed the belt. I don't have that Torx. This is just a inch. What is that? Inch and 1/8. It's inch and 1/8 right there.
Well, 1.5 inches what they use on the old bike.
Inch and 1/2, probably. Is what it is. I wonder if where's this guy? Inch and 3/8 maybe. It's this guy or this guy.
1.5 inches is normal, but I don't know what.
It's going to be this guy right here.
On the old bikes, but that's not going to help us on this. Now, you can get this. You got 3/8 extension? Let's see if it looks like. But you don't have a grinder here either, do you?
Yeah, I got a grinder.
Okay. Give me a 1/2 inch extension. What do you got? I just want something to play with. Just give me that one right there. I just want to see what it looks like in here. Okay, so you can grind that down to make it at least catch the square. It's not really a square though, see, but it's...
I don't want to ruin it either. We'll just slow down. I'll just take 5 minutes to jerk that back off.
Okay, here.
We'll go back over where we're headed. Sorry to waste our time.
So we have to get this.
Should have thought about it. Should have caught that.
Yeah, you have to have the torch.
Yeah.
And it's a big ass one.
The biggest thing is...
Okay, we're gonna look to see.
Size.
We're gonna see what we can come up with. All right, we'll be back.